My Flatmate makes a lot of creepy squeaks after every shower, and the reason is disturbing. I lived in a small apartment with my friend Kareem. One day, I started hearing weird, squeaky noises coming from Kareem's room after he took a shower. It was really annoying and kind of scary. At first, I thought maybe Kareem was just playing a prank or something, but the squeaks kept happening, and they were getting louder and louder. I was starting to feel really freaked out. I tried to ignore them, but it was impossible. The squeaks were driving me crazy. One day, I decided to confront Kareem about the noises. I knocked on his door and waited for a response. After a few seconds, Kareem opened the door. He looked surprised to see me standing there. "What's up?" Kareem asked. "It's those squeaks," I replied. "They're really bothering me." Kareem shrugged. "Oh, those. Yeah, I know. It's kind of weird."